Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Geometrical. You can call me Bill. I am a technical support for Moldex3D Thailand. For today's topic, I would like to talk about IC Auto Hybrid Mesh Wizard on Studio. For the outline, we will start with introduction about what is Studio IC Auto Hybrid Mesh Wizard, what can Studio IC Auto Hybrid Mesh do, and workflow. When we done for introduction, we will demo the sample case step by step. For today, we have two sample cases. We will show you both without geometry runner case and with geometry runner case. First, introduction. What is Studio IC Auto Hybrid Mesh Wizard? For the feature, can separate into two commands. We can start with encapsulation process, and then in the modeling, you can select encapsulation component and work in it. This is the wizard to do auto hybrid mesh. Then you can generate for solid mesh. The auto hybrid mesh kernel is started in R15, but we only can do it in Rhino. For now, we can be done this function in Studio 2021. So user may create IC hybrid mesh by Studio or runner based on personal preference. And here we are supporting auto-generate geometrical runner BLM solid mesh with auto-refining node seeding at the gate location. Node seeding not yet to support it, and we cannot edit mesh while previewing perfect mesh. For the limitation, we will support on Studio 2022. What auto hybrid mesh itself can cover? Basically, it can be separated in three groups, which are transfer molding, compression molding, and underfill. So, as you can see, most of the mesh for this technology are now you can make it even in auto hybrid mesh on Studio. Don't have to do it in the Rhino manually. Workflow to do auto hybrid meshing. First, we will use the encapsulation process. Then select the encapsulation component, setting all the components to contribute the curve and define dimension on it.